timing yan at galing sa likod ng ring. At ang mahirap dyan pwede kang maumpog.
That's right. So, kailangan tutungo ka ng konti for you to be able to get that ball, reverse dunk on the other side.
Let's look at what the judges thought about that dunk. 9, 9, 9, 9, and an 8 for Norwood. So 44 points for our defending champion, Gabe Norwood. Kaya yung sinasabi natin, pwedeng maumpog itong si Gabe Norwood. So you have to time it perfectly. That's why that dunk is very difficult. It may not look spectacular, but the degree of difficulty of that dunk is very high.
At delikado yan. Alam mo, nangyari sa akin yun nung grade 6 ako. Ginawa ko yun. Hindi lang kinout.
Saan?
Sa liga. Sa simula nun, hindi ko na inulit. No?
Gano'ng kataas yung court nun?
Mga 4 feet lang naman.
Buti hindi ka na naumpog.
Hindi ako naumpog. Nakailag pa ako nun.
Okay, let's do a recap of our first round.
At ito si Norwood, Gabe Norwood scoring 44 points there. Kelly Williams with 47. KG Canaleta with 45 points. 39 naman po si JC Intal and Rico Meyerhofer with 36 points. So kailangan bumabol itong si Rico Meyerhofer if he wants to make it to the finals.
Well, Rico Meyerhofer, we know, has a lot of good timing. Seen him do a lot of alley-oop dunks and alley-oop jams and trying to get the crowd involved. I think he needs to showboat a little bit more. Kailangan magpakilala pa ng konti itong si Rico Meyerhofer.
Pero dapat alam din ni Rico na walang audience impact. Hindi kasama sa criteria yung audience impact.
Rico Meyerhofer. Let's see if he's gonna do another dunk.
Hindi masaya si Rico with that first dunk of his in the second round.
And raised eyebrows. Bouncing it off. The shot clock. We have to see Rico Meyerhofer.
We have to ask him later kung sinasadya niyang
Oo,
i-bounce.
kailangan natin malaman kung ano yung sinusubukan niya doon.
Kung balak ba niyang sirain yung shot clock natin o patalbog.
Baka to get more time.
Yan.
Diba?
Para mag-reset yung
Para
oras.
mag-reset.
Speaking of time, he only has like 18 seconds left to have a successful dunk. At magtutulong na itong dalawang BMEG players.
Well, creativity getting the better of Rico Meyerhofer. This time, just wanting to finish off with a slam. That's what we were saying. If you wait too long, nawawala yung momentum. At nasisira yung diskarte mo. And that's what happened to Rico Meyerhofer. And with a missed dunk, the judges will give him a lowest 5. So, 25 for Rico Meyerhofer. And I'm interested to see what our buddy Miko Halili has to say.
Ayan. Yan ang pinakaayaw natin gawin kay Miko, ang mag-init ng ulo.
Mag-init yung ulo. Very hard to please talaga. Ito ang kaibigan natin si Miko.
But of course, everyone, this is all done in jest. Alam mo, we are all enjoying here in Puerto Princesa. Even Miko Halili and the rest of the talents here, we are all enjoying the show rather that our players are giving for everyone here in Puerto Princesa.
And it's very difficult to join here. And JC Intal sporting a Samboy Lim jersey. Talk about creativity. Woo! Getting a little bit of help from his teammate Cyrus Baguio.
Ano ba to? The next generation Skywalker.
Let's look at what the judges thought about that. 4 9s and an 8 by the judges. So a total of 44 for JC Intal. Better than his first round 39.
Pero alam mo Dong, naalala ko yung uniform ni Samboy Lim nun hindi ganyan kahaba yung shorts. So kung gusto mo
pero
yan,
nakita mo ginaya niya yung medyas. JC Intal, you gotta give it for his creativity and giving props to, of course, the Skywalker, Samboy Lim, one of our best dunkers, really elevated the game in the PBA in the 80s and the early 90s.
Nabanggit mo yung Samboy Lim, feeling ko yung power niya doon nanggaling sa medyas na mahaba. Nung hindi pa uso nun, at siya lang yung may ganun.
At sige, mapapansin mo dito, ito si KG Canaleta, our 3-time slam dunk champion. One of the favorites dito sa ating slam dunk competition. Canaleta jumping from I don't know where. Let's check out that replay by Canaleta.
At itong tinalunan niya ay isang tunay na tao at nakompleto ni KG Canaleta. Perfect score for KG Canaleta.
Well, you'll appreciate more the slam dunk of Canaleta when in slow-mo, when spreading his legs. And the thing is, he makes it look so easy. He looks like he's walking in mid-air. And look at how he throws it down, the elevation and the jam for our three-time champion, KG Canaleta, with the first perfect score of the day.
And alam mo yung tinalunan niya, Dom, hindi na kailangan tumungo. He could have put his head up at hindi pa rin tatama. Good jump from KG Canaleta. Good dunk. Perfect score for this round.
Putting pressure on Kelly Williams. Kelly Williams, Gabe Norwood, and KG Canaleta is the first time that all three of them are joining sabay-sabay in one slam dunk.
And these are the three high flyers of the PBA. Alam naman natin, they can dunk that basketball well.
And oh! A power dunk by Kelly Williams. Just a tough dunk. At tama papansin mo, nag-iba yung music nung si KG Canaleta, nung si Kelly Williams, yung pa-dunk na. Look at how difficult this dunk is. Turning in mid-air, 1-2-hand reverse slam for Kelly Williams, and with the authority, throwing it down. Look at that. Just a power dunker. Itong si Kelly Williams. 2008.
Binomba pa niya yun. He brought it down to his knees, then brought it back again, and that's a very difficult dunk. And
what was the score of Kelly Williams? 46 by Kelly Williams.
And while waiting for that score, itong ating guest judge sa tabi natin.
Oo, ano bang nasasabi nung guest judge natin?
Nakalagay dun sa kanyang score sheet. Huwaw.
Well, the official score of Kelly Williams for that dunk is 47. So consistent itong si Kelly Williams with 47 in his first round and another 47 in the second round. Really tough to follow that dunk of KG Canaleta.
And now, let's have it back with the defending champion here in the second round from Raven Shine Lasso Peters, Gabe Norwood.
And our defending champion going for his second dunk here in the second round. Rather, his first dunk in the second round. Oh!
At alam mo, Dom, yung ginawa niya yun, the bounce, mas mahirap because yung bounce mas malayo dun sa rim eh. And he had to catch it in mid-air and then stretch all the way back for that reverse dunk.
And if you like the bounce, I actually like how long he stayed in the air. Nag-pause siya before he dunked it.
Ngumiti pa doon sa mga
nagpipicture.
Kumukuha ng picture niya.
Another difficult dunk by our 2009 or defending champion, Gabe Norwood. I actually like the first dunk better.
Ako rin. At mukhang iniintay ni Gabe yung sigaw ng tao for
he's gotta get the crowd involved. Mr. President has in store for us now. That's a very difficult dunk.
He had to pump it, go under the rim, and then dunk it on the other side. At mahirap-hirap yung pinakita ni Gabe Norwood na yun.
4 9s and an 8 by our judges, and the one who really appreciated that dunk. And look at that dunk, coming in from one side, twisting to the other, going for two hands, at parang ballerina pa, putting up his feet all the way up to his butt.
Pampaganda yun eh, pampaganda ng dunk yun. No? It adds to the difficulty, to the flair rather.
At Gabe Norwood also consistent with another 44 for defending champion Gabe Norwood. So while we're waiting for the official scoring, let's do a recap in round number 1.
Meyerhofer 36 in the first round, 25 in the second round. Ito naman po si JC Intal scoring 39, then 44. KG Canaleta after doing 45, doing a perfect dunk in the second round. Kelly Williams consistent first and second dunks with 47, and Gabe Norwood also consistent with a 44 and a 44 in the second round.
A great performance by Norwood, Canaleta, and Kelly Williams. So the official score now, KG Canaleta with a total of 95 and Kelly Williams with a 94. Now these two go into the finals of our 2010 Slam Dunk competition.
And officially na-dethrone na yung ating Slam Dunk champion na si Gabe Norwood, who won it last year. And may chance itong si KG Canaleta to actually win 4 Slam Dunk championships. At si Kelly Williams na naman ay pwedeng mag-champion din para sa ating Slam Dunk competition.
To get his second Slam Dunk crown, itong si Kelly Williams. At dito napapasok yung mga ideas ng iyong mga teammates. These are early